name is Pushanjali. I am studying in 8th grade. My topic is social man-made society. The early sociologists are those who study the society, culture, behavior, and social relationship, etc. Some of the sociologists are as below. Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte was one who named the sociologist in the scientific name of society. He is considered the father of sociology. Herbert Spencer was the British sociologist. He lived in the 19th century. He studied the evolution of society. Max Weber. Max Weber was a German sociologist. He was also a great space scholar in the fields of economic philosophy and history, and studied the labor force and Christian religions. Emile Durkheim, the French scholar, lived in latter part of the 19th century and the earlier year of the 20th century. He worked at the making of sociology in the science. Karl, Karl Marx. Karl Marx was a German philosopher. He was highly knowledgeable about history, philosophy, economic, and Christian religion. Thank you.